2015 and newer Volvo XC90 T5 front brake replacement. Let's start by compressing the caliper. Insert it right there so you can compress it. Let's remove the water retaining screw. Leave it T30. Just like that. Now we're going to remove the entire rod clip. Make sure you have a new one before you throw it away. Okay. In my case, the brake pad comes with new one, so I'm just gonna remove it and throw it in the trash. Alright, jump. Now let's remove the caliper slider pin bolt. It is a 7mm Allen socket. Before you do that, there is a cover back there that you have to remove to access it. Take it off. There it is. Now let's remove the caliper slider pin bolt. Like I said, it is 7mm Allen socket. Just like this. Alright. And the one at the bottom. Yep. Good. Let's take the brake pad off. Let's take the brake pad off. It is stuck in the caliper. They use a hammer like this to tap it. There you go. Take the one in the back out. Now let's remove the caliper bracket bolt. It is an 18mm, one on top and one at the bottom. Let's take the water off now. Not too bad. Let's remove the water, the hub, the wire brush real quick. A wire brush like this will be just fine. Now let's clean the caliper bracket with a wire brush like this. Caliper bracket is clean. Here's the new brake pad. The one with that clip in the back go inside the caliper, and the regular one go in the front, just like this. Alright, and for this one, you need to put it in like this inside the caliper piston. You need some effort because it is a new one. You need to push it down really hard so it can go in. Just like that, it is in. We're about to put it in the bracket now. Here's the caliper. Let's put the bolt in and it should be good. Put the bottom bolt in now. Just like that. Put the cover back on. Now we're gonna put the entire water clip. To do that, you put this one in first, and now you're gonna need a screwdriver so you can put it on the outside of the caliper bracket like this. Okay. So what you do is this: you put that one in first. No, you put this in first, right in the middle. And you use a screwdriver like this to pry it off, to put it against the top of the caliper bracket, and you do the same thing at the bottom. Now finally get it in, just push it down just like this. Make sure it's fully seated, and that's how you do it, guys. You need two hands to do this. The thing is, you put that little piece in the middle first. You need the screwdriver to pry the top from here to there. Same thing on the bottom, from here to there. Okay, and that everything is good. So the car should be good to go now. Everything's tight. Everything's cleaned up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.